Hello, welcome to this revision lesson on converting metric lengths. Right, so make sure you've got a piece of paper and a pen handy so you can write down your answers. Pause the video, try the questions, resume the video and check your answers. Beginning with some knowledge retrieval of multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. So what's 6 times 100? Answer you should have got is C, because to multiply a number by 100, we need to shift every digit 2 columns to the right in our place value table, 600. Second question. And when we are dividing, the digits are going to go the other way. When we're dividing by 10, we're going to shift all the digits 1 column to the left. Therefore, 0.2 and D was the correct answer. Next one. Multiplying by 100, every digit goes 2 columns to the left, so we end up with 480. This one, 1023. .7, dividing, so the digits are going to move to the right. The number's going to get smaller. Dividing by 1000, so we're going to move everything 3 columns. So 1, 2, 3. The 6 goes there. 7, 1, 2, 3. And then these gaps here need to be filled with zeros. Therefore, C was the correct answer. Right, important fact you need to remember that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. Therefore, C was correct. And you need to remember that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 1000 meters. So therefore, A was correct. Go back to the previous. We can see that to turn centimeters into meters, we need to divide by 100 because there are 100 centimeters in a meter. Therefore, 30 centimeters divided by 100 is 0.3 meters. Right, you pause the video and try this one. And 400 divided by 100 is 4 meters. Right, next one, converting meters into centimeters. We need to remember that turning meters into centimeters is done by multiplying by 100 because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So 600 multiplied by 100 is 60,000 centimeters. You try this one. And you should have got 70 multiplied by 100 is 7,000 centimeters. Right, next, converting meters into millimeters. This is one that needs done in 2 steps because we can turn from meters into centimeters by multiplying by 100, and then from centimeters into millimeters we can get there by multiplying by 10. So we break this down at the steps. 5.3 millimeters is 530 centimeters. And then multiply that by 10 to get 5,300 millimeters. Okay, you try this one. So you should have started off, first step is to get 0.4 meters is equal to 40 centimeters, and then multiply by 10 and end up with 400 millimeters. Right, here are some questions for you to try. Pause the video, work out the answers, and then resume the video and mark your work. Right, here are your answers to those questions. Right, finally to finish off, a couple of exam questions. Pause the video, read the question really carefully, break it down into steps, have a go at answering it. Okay, solution. Hopefully first thing you noticed is we've got mixed units within this question. Sean's height's in meters, whereas David's height's in centimeters. We need to fix that problem if we're going to make a comparison of height. So 1.88 meters, if we multiply that by 100, we can work out that Sean is 188 centimeters tall. David is 6 centimeters taller. That means we need to add on 6 to end up with 194 centimeters. Now notice on the answer line, There is no units written here. Therefore, your answer must contain units, either 194 centimeters or 1.94 meters if you chose to work in meters rather than centimeters. Okay, one more. Have a go at this. Right, and once again, you've got to notice that we've got mixed units here. We need to fix that problem. So 2.4 meters is 240 centimeters, 1.5 meters is 150 centimeters, and finally we've got 140 centimeters here. Right, if we lay boxes into the back of this van, then we've got a length of 40 and a total length in the van of 240. So we can fit 6 boxes along the length of the van. If we then have a look at the width, we've got a width of a box is 30 and the width of the van is 150. 150 divided by 30 tells us we can fit 5 boxes along the width, and if each box is 35 centimeters tall and the van's 140 centimeters tall, then we can fit 4 layers of boxes. So 6 times 4 on the bottom layer is 30, 30 on each layer, and 4 layers is 120 boxes in total. Right, read the full question because that's not all we have to do. Chloe wants to put as many boxes in the van as possible. We know that's 120. She can put 3 boxes into the van in 1 minute. Work out how many minutes it should take Chloe to put in as many boxes as possible. So if it's 120 in total, and it's 3 boxes per minute, that's going to take her 40 minutes to fill the van. Finally, if you need more practice, go into Sparks Maths, search for that independent learning code, and you'll get some more questions.